The worst year for a lot of us for our mental as well as physical health. So joining us this morning is best-selling author, coach Lisa Goldenthal.
Hello and welcome. I'm Lisa G, your host. You're at the top of your game, yet the game is changing faster than ever. Strategies that got you here aren't the ones that'll keep you here. The pressure is relentless, and the fear of obsolescence looms large. That's why I'm here. Welcome to the new podcast series, Disrupted: How to Be Gritty and Unlock Performance in Business, Mindset, Wellness, and Success to help you master disruption.
Thanks for coming, and I'll see you soon. So, unlocked, reclaim your power, dominate your industry now. That's tonight's topic. So listen. Hey there, my high achievers. I'm Lisa G. Let's shake things up a bit and have some fun for a quick 5-minute video. But first, I want to know, how is your summer going? Drop a comment. I am having a great time traveling and seeing friends and family. So let's talk real talk about the C-suite leadership grind. You're juggling endless demands, and the pressure to perform is relentless. I have been there. I have felt the weight of the expectation, the relentless demands, and the constant pressure of these disruptive times. But at the same time, I've also transformed that pressure into fuel for growth. It's about finding that elusive sweet spot between ambition and well-being. Today, we are diving into 3 quick practical strategies to reclaim your power and dominate your industry. Let's redefine what it means to be a high-performing executive today. So I want to hear from you guys. Let's make this interactive and fun. And don't forget to share this with your network. Let's create a movement together. Let's get real, people. You're juggling a million things. You're expected to be a visionary, a strategist, a therapist, all at once. It's exhausting. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify this chaos? How do you do it? Let's dive in with hack number 1, master your time like Yoda. We all know that time is your most valuable asset and diminishing asset at the same time. It's not about working harder, but smarter. Implement time blocking, delegate ruthlessly, and learn to say no. Every minute counts. Do you agree? Drop a comment. You can't do it all alone. Write this down. If it's not going to help me achieve my objectives, it is a no. Are you with me? Okay, that's number 1, is time blocking. Number 2, cultivate a growth mindset and a mindfulness practice. Here's where we're going to get really Yoda so that you can develop a resilience mindset. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about continuous improvement. A growth mindset helps you to embrace challenges as opportunities. I want to hear if this is working for you. Focus on learning and improvement. I remember when I was feeling overwhelmed and burned out during the pandemic. Anybody else? It seemed like the work-life boundaries were getting blurrier for me, and my phone was following me around everywhere. I started practicing mindfulness, and it was a game changer to develop perspective and make better decisions. I want to know, have you tried this strategy? Let me know in the comments. In a world of constant distractions, mindfulness is your superpower. It's about being fully present in the moment, reducing stress, and improving focus. I suggest incorporating meditation or deep breathing into your daily routine. It is a game changer for me. Even a few minutes of mindfulness can make a world of difference. So drop a comment if you've tried any of these strategies. And finally, hack number 3, we talked about mastering your time. So building a high-performing team is about mastering your time to build your high-performance team. In order to do this, you have to delegate, empower, and trust your team. This will create a culture of collaboration and accountability. Build your high-performing rock star team and empower them to take ownership of their roles. This will help you with engagement and building a more powerful organization where nobody's even thinking about quiet quitting. Delegate tasks, provide clear expectations, and offer support. Then you got to trust your team to deliver results. I've transformed a CEO who was drowning in emails. We implemented a system where he only checked email twice a day, and it was life-changing. Focus on high-impact activities, and you will find you have more time for what truly matters to move the needle forward. I've also worked with leaders who were micromanaging everything. We implemented a delegation plan, and within 6 months, the CEO had regained control of his time, and his team was more engaged and productive. So I want to know what strategies are working for you right now for retention and working through these disruptive times. By implementing these 3 hacks, you'll be well on your way to reclaiming your power and dominating your industry. It's about finding that elusive balance between ambitious goals and well-being, between productivity and fulfillment. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge right now? How are you balancing work and life? Share your experiences in the comments. Let's create a supportive community, and drop a comment if you want a 15-minute consultation. The first 5 people to drop a comment right now, we can connect and discuss how I can help you reach your full potential. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Let's redefine success together. I'm Lisa G. Thanks for coming.